Engineering is my life. Ever since I can remember, I've been tinkering around with computers, pulling apart electronics, and figuring out what makes things tick. I'm also fascinated by wood. From homes to furniture to musical instruments and weapons. It truly is a massive part of the world we live in. And no matter what new technologies come along, there's always a place for wood and always new ideas on how to use it. I'm intrigued by the properties of wood, its strength, its flexibility, and its aesthetic qualities. I want to push it as a material to its very limits and combine my passion of engineering and wood to create amazing things. And so I've assumed the title of TheWoodgineer, and I've created this YouTube channel in an attempt to document and learn as much as I can about woodworking from the perspective of an engineer. I'm rather quite excited. Please join me in my misadventures and hit the subscribe and notify buttons below. Thanks all.